Today I am going to cover how to use security header in funnels and websites. Let us see new features that we have in funnel and websites. That is called a security header. The security header are great booster for web security with ease implementation. Pages that you can embed into iframe and other pages you cannot. And I am going to show you how to actually add that to your funnel and website. First, go to GOHIGHLEVEL account. Just go to site. Then you go to funnels or websites. So this is available for both funnel and website. I do not want my test funnel embed into another website. Just click test funnel. There is a security tab. When you go to security tab, just click add security header, and then you copy the security header in, and then you can copy the security header, in this case X frame option. Then value is deny. Then click create. Now you can see the security header option. There is a multitude of HTTP headers available. It would go too far to explain all of them. Let us go to websites. Put it into google.com. Put it into google.com as well. You see here, we have security tab. We can now add security header. Here you can add extend. Then deny. Then click create. It enables you now to increase the security of your funnel and your websites. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks.